I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and position a rack in the lower third. This lower placement encourages a steady rise and a golden exterior. Grease a 6-cup soufflé dish and dust with 1 tablespoon of fine breadcrumbs so the batter climbs evenly and releases after baking. Separate 4 large eggs at room temperature, keeping whites cold and yolks warm, because yolks incorporate into the base smoothly, while colder whites whip to greater volume when beaten to peaks. Heat 2 tablespoons butter with 2 tablespoons flour. Whisk to a smooth roux, then add 1/4 cups milk, cooking until the bechamel thickly coats the back of a spoon. Remove from heat and temper in the 4 egg yolks 1 spoonful at a time, then whisk in 1/2 cup grated cheese and season with salt and 1/8 teaspoon white pepper. Cool slightly to avoid cooking the yolks. Beat 4 cold egg whites to soft peaks with 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Then gradually add. Gently fold 1/3 of the whites into the base to loosen. Then fold the remainder with 8 gentle turns, using a spatula lifted from bottom to top to preserve air. Fill the 6-cup dish to 3/4 full. Smooth the top and run a finger around the rim to create a shallow groove so the soufflé can climb evenly. Bake at 375 degrees F for 25–30 minutes until deep golden and set. Then serve immediately without opening the oven, as the soufflé will deflate rapidly once exposed to cooler air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.